We often need to convert PDF into different formats to edit and save when working and studying. The PDF conversion feature of WPS Office Premium can help you solve this problem quickly. Today I will tell you how to use WPS to complete PDF conversion into PPT, Excel, Word, Pictures and TXT. Take this PDF as an example. Select Tools on the top menu bar and click it. Now, we can convert PDF into different formats such as PDF to Word, Picture, PPT, Excel and TXT documents. You can quickly convert the PDF. Let's try it. Suppose I want to convert this PDF into an Excel form. Click PDF to Excel. Click Start, then WPS can help you quickly transform into an Excel. It's so fast. I can edit this Excel. What if you want your PDF to become a picture? Click PDF to Picture. You can choose whether to convert to a long picture and then select the page number to convert. Choose whether to add watermark and output quality. Don't forget to click Save to WPS Cloud. Similarly, TXT is often used for us to read a lot of text on different devices. If you want to convert PDF into a TXT, click PDF to TXT, select Page Range, and you can get a TXT immediately. On your mobile, you can also operate it. Click this button in Processing. Well, today's tutorial ends here.
Thank you for staying with WPS, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.